Hi, I'm Robert with Lobster Sports Tech Support, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your Elite Series machine in 5 easy steps. The only tool you're going to need is a Phillips-head screwdriver. Before we begin, you want to make sure that the machine is in off position. Step 1 will be to remove the 6 screws around the bottom of the case. I've already removed 4 of the 6 screws for the case of the video. Step 2. Gently lift the case up high enough to see the battery and rest the case on the servo wheel assembly. Step 3, remove the black negative cable from the battery and followed by the red one. Undo the Velcro. Remove the old battery. Step 4, install the new battery. Be sure to have the battery terminals facing the rear of the machine. Redo the straps. Reconnect your negative battery terminal, followed by the positive. Step 5, gently bring the case back down. Reinstall the 6 screws. Simply press the power button. And when you hear the sound of the servo motors, you've successfully installed the battery. The battery will come with some charge, but it's a great idea to charge it up before you get back out on the court.